Hello everyone, welcome to JC Academy. I am Aradhana, your paper 1 educator. Continuing with the series, this is the part 7 where we are discussing the recent previous year questions of December 2025 attempt of unit number 6 which is logical reasoning. I hope कि जो last के 6 parts हैं वो आपने देखे होंगे और उनके notes जरूर बनाए होंगे. These are the shining candidates of JC Academy who have qualified their examination with flying colors. JC Academy is offering a complete foundation course of Paper 1 plus Paper 2 Management with multiple validity options. Also, complete foundation course for Paper 2 Management with multiple validity options is available on the website. For any query, you can call on the given number. Starting with question number 1, which is from square of opposition, it says if the following statements are so related, if one of them is true, the other must be false and vice versa. देखिए स्क्वायर ऑफ ऑपोजिशंस में हमारी 4 स्टेटमेंट्स होती हैं ए ई आई एंड ओ और हमें पता है जो कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी स्टेटमेंट है it has the property that if one statement is true the other will be false and vice versa, and this is asked in the question. So all and some not, they are contradictory in nature. No and some statements, they are contradictory in nature. So all and some not, option number A and D. A and D, that is option number 1. It will be the correct answer. B and C, it is also a correct statement. They are also contradictory statements, but B and C is not given in the option. So option number 1, that is A, all, and some not, that is O proposition. A and O proposition, they are contradictory in nature. देखिए, this is all, this is no, this is some not, and this is some. So A and O are contradictory, I and E are contradictory. Question number 2. Some erasers are not pencils is given as false. Then which of the following statements could be inferred to be false? All you have to do is make this diagram A, E, I and O. Some erasers are not pencils. O proposition is given and it is given as false. Now from these options we have to identify which option will be false in nature. If I apply the property of subalternation, I know if the particulars are false, the universals will be false because false goes upwards. So if O statement or O proposition is false, then E proposition, that is no statement, no erasers are pencils, this statement will be false and the given answer will be option number 4. आपको समझ आ रही है बात कि सब ऑल्टरनेशन में हमारा जो फॉल्स होता है इट मूव्स अपवर्ड्स और जो ट्रूथ होता है इट मूव्स डाउनवर्ड्स. यानी अगर ए ट्रू है तो आई भी ट्रू होगा, लेकिन अगर आई फॉल्स है तो ए फॉल्स होगा. सो फॉल्स अपवर्ड्स एंड ट्रूथ डाउनवर्ड्स. Question number 3. Which of the following statements are logically equivalent? We have 3 cases: conversion, obversion, and contraposition. These are the 3 conditions where the statements are logically equivalent. So all integers are real numbers, all non-integers are non-real numbers, all real numbers are integers, and no integers are non-real numbers. So if you know the steps of obversion, you will find that option number A and D are logically equivalent. So steps for obversion, it includes changing the quality of the statement. If the statement is given in all, we will change it to no and vice versa. If it is given in some, it is changed to some not and vice versa. And after changing the quality, we complement the predicate term. So all is changed to no and real, which is the predicate term, is changed to non-real, which is the complement. So option number 4, that is A and D, will be the correct answer. Question number next, arrange the following in order of decreasing connotation. If you have seen the previous parts, in each and every shift, there is a question from connotation and denotation. So you have to make these topics very, very clear. Connotation and denotation. So decreasing connotation. Connotation means the number of attributes or characteristics a term possess. एक टर्म की जितनी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं या उसके जितने एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं वो उसकी कॉनोटेशन डिफाइन करती है. अब जो भी टर्म है वो जितनी ज्यादा स्पेसिफिक होगी उसका कॉनोटेशन उतना ही ज्यादा हायर होगा और उसके उतने ही ज्यादा एट्रीब्यूट्स होंगे. So for this question, option number 3 will be the correct answer. We have quark, then proton, then atom, and then molecule. Quark, it is the most fundamental particle and it has specific properties like charge, color, spin, etc. Then proton, proton is made of quarks. Atom is made of protons, and molecule is made of atoms, which is the broadest among the four, and hence it has lowest number of connotations. Next question is from Indian logic. As per classical Indian school of logic, the argument sound is quality because it is visible is fallacious. Correct statement. The reason says the middle term by its very nature cannot be present in the minor term. Let's check it. Visible is the minor term here. Visible is the middle term here and sound is the minor term here. Is sound visible? If I ask you, is sound visible? The answer will be no. Sound is not visible because sound is audible. Audibility is the characteristic of sound and not visibility. That is why this statement is fallacious, because the middle term, which is visible, is not present in the minor term, which is sound. That is why A and R both are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A, and answer number 1 will be the correct option here. So these all were the questions that have been asked. अगर आपने अभी तक नोट्स नहीं बनाए हैं, प्लीज बनाइए, हर एक पार्ट को देखिए, आपको पता चलेगा कि कौन से टॉपिक्स जो हैं वो बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं. A quick reminder, JC Academy is offering a complete foundation course for paper 1 and paper 2 management with multiple validity options. Also, complete foundation course for paper 2 management is available. For any query, you can call on the given number. These are the social media handles of JC Academy. Connect to them to keep yourself updated, and this is our paper 1 Telegram group. Do join it if you haven't joined it yet. And that is all for today. Thank you so very much. I hope you enjoyed the class. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care and happy learning.